Hello my dear students. Today I am going to tell you what is the difference between the book lungs and tracheal system. So book lung and tracheal system, these are the two respiratory structure which helps in respiration, and they are found in the animals who belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda, as you all know, it is the largest phylum of the animal kingdom. Now this book lungs and tracheal system. Okay, so we are going to talk about that. First of all, under phylum Arthropoda there are three classes are there. Okay, Crustacea, Arachnida, Hexapoda, like that. So here first we will talk about the class Hexapoda. Hexa means what? Six. Poda means what? Limbs. Okay, class Hexapoda is also called as class Insecta, means all insects belong to that class. Okay, so in insects the respiratory system, okay, respiratory system is consist of network of tracheal tubes. Okay, so tracheal tubes are the tube like structure. See, in the entire body of the insect, small holes are there. That holes are called as spiracles, and from that spiracle the atmospheric air is entering into the tracheal tubes, and inside the body, entire body is having the network of tracheal tube like structure. So that tracheal tubes will deliver the atmospheric oxygen directly to the body tissues in insect. I hope you understood what is meant by tracheal system. Okay, tracheal means it is a network of tubes inside the entire body of the cockroach, and directly they are delivering the atmospheric oxygen into tissue and taking out the carbon dioxide from the tissue to atmosphere directly, okay, through diffusion. Now we are coming on to what is meant by book lungs. Actually, book lungs is a respiratory structure belongs to the class Arachnida. Arachnida is a class of phylum Arthropoda, and in Arachnida animals like spider, scorpion, they are coming in under the class Arachnida. Now what is book lungs? Actually book lungs is like a normal lung only, but in that many lamellas are present. Okay, lines are present, lamellas are present. That lamellae filled with the blood. So whenever the air is going inside the book lung, that oxygen will be absorbed by the blood which is flowing into lamellae. And if you see that lamellas, okay, it will be looking like a pages of book. A book is there, it is having many pages. Okay, so like that lung is there, in that many pages like that. So what are that pages? Lamellas, or thin segmental lines, okay, in which blood is flowing. That is called as what? Book lungs. I hope you understood what is the difference between the book lungs and tracheal system. If you have any other doubt, feel free to contact me. Please comment, like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.